In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from a contact's owner in Hubspot, and we're going to cover all of this in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Hubspot website, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or simply search for Hubspot. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the login button conveniently located at the top right corner. Give that a click. Afterward, you'll be taken to the login page. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Hubspot account. Once you've successfully logged in, you will be directed to your Hubspot home. This is your dashboard and acts as the control center for all your Hubspot needs. Now on your dashboard, look toward the top menu. You'll see a variety of tabs, but what you're interested in right now is the Marketing tab. Click on Marketing, and this will expand a drop-down menu with several options to choose from. From this menu, select Email to proceed to the Email Management section. Once you've clicked on Email, you'll have a list of your emails displayed. Scroll through your list and select an email that you want to set up to send from a contact's owner. If you're unsure which one to pick, go with any draft or email you had in mind for this exercise. After selecting the email, you'll land on the email detail page. What you want to do next is click on Edit Email. This option will enable you to modify the settings and content of your selected email, giving you control over how it's sent and who it's sent from. Next, look for the Settings tab within the email editing interface and give that a click. This will bring up several possible settings you can adjust for your email. You're concentrating specifically on the From Name field, which is crucial for this task. In the From Name area, you'll find an option to add personalization token. Click on this and a list of tokens will appear from which you can choose. Among these, there is an option labeled something like contact owner's name or a similar variation which you should select. By doing this, HubSpot will automatically pull in the name of the contact's owner, personalizing each email. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully configured your email to be sent from the contact's owner in HubSpot. This ensures that your emails are not only more personal but also more effective in connecting with your recipients. Thank you for joining me in this quick and efficient walkthrough of sending emails from a contact's owner in HubSpot. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Enjoy your day.